Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving into Westmoreland. We're driving from St. Elizabeth to Westmoreland, and we are going to pass a very popular food stop in Westmoreland called Whitehouse. Very nice food. It's a must stop on the way to Westmoreland. There it is on the left. As you can see, very busy. This food stop reminds me of Fate's Pen back in the day on the way to Ocho Rios. I must stop and eat some food at Fate's Pen. But guys, do you know what has happened to Fate's Pen now? Since that highway opened? Okay, now there's a highway coming to Westmoreland. It's going to go from Hodges in St. Elizabeth to Negril. It's going to be a toll road. So guys, what do you think is going to happen to Whitehouse? Now, we don't know where the exits are going to be, but if it's one thing we've noticed with these highways is that people aren't going to exit just for food and get back on. In other words, they wouldn't exit just to go here and get back on. They tend to stay on the highway. And that's even assuming that there's going to be an exit for Whitehouse. But I think they will have one because there is a hotel further down, Sandal South Coast, in Whitehouse. A good little drive from where we are. But I noticed these highways tend to I think they might have an exit to Whitehouse because of the hotel. And there's another development there, and there is such potential for tourism in that area by Whitehouse where the hotel is. There's a very nice beach, and you have Bluefields further up. So I know Bluefields should have an exit because based on how these highways run, they seem to accommodate the tourist areas. So what do you think is going to happen to that Whitehouse fish spot? Now, as we said, they haven't announced exactly where the exits are going to be. They haven't even started to build the highway yet. But based on what happened in Clarendon Park, in Poros, and Fate's Pen, these small areas that were basically sprung up because they were just on the main road, they seem to struggle when the highway comes through because they don't have the traffic anymore. The traffic goes on the highway. Now, the highway is also going to bypass Santa Cruz. There will be no exit for Santa Cruz as the highway will be way on the other side going up to Junction and coming down by Treasure Beach into Black River into Hodges. But as a lot of people have commented when we made the video, is they said Santa Cruz is a massive town. And it doesn't really rely heavily on the traffic that passes through it on the main road. It is, I think, the largest town in St. Elizabeth, although Black River is the capital, but we'll talk about that in another video. But Santa Cruz might be affected, will be affected by the highway, but just not sure to what extent. So guys, back to this Whitehouse now. What do you think can be done in, say, Whitehouse, Poros, Clarendon Park, these small areas that no longer have access, no longer have the traffic on the main road because of the highway? Now, on the left of where we are, you have villas. As I said, the beach out here is beautiful. One of the nicest beaches in Jamaica. Bluefields Beach, the Whitehouse Beach, very nice. Very, very nice. Now we're coming into the town of Whitehouse, which is as I said, the town basically is here because the main road goes through it. It's as you can see, very busy place. It's a major transportation point as well when going from Savlamar to St. Elizabeth. This is one stop you can make in Whitehouse to get transportation to go other places. So, guys, what do you think will happen to Whitehouse when the food place part in particular when this highway comes through? And what can be done to help these areas? To what do you think they should do to help these areas? Alright, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.